Hi there. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Brandon Humphrey, PEO Benefits Manager at Optimum Employer Solutions, and we're here to talk about your 2023 open enrollment cycle. We have a lot to cover today, including an introduction to your Optimum benefits team, medical plan changes, dental and vision rates, complementary benefits, supplemental benefit options, Anthem virtual assistants, flexible spending accounts, and finally, a demo of our open enrollment system. We have a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and get started. First, by reviewing your Optimum Benefits team for 2023. Again, my name is Brandon Humphrey. I'm the PEO Benefits Manager at Optimum. We also have Frank Reza, who is our PEO Benefits Professional, Mary Nguyen, who handles our client benefits, and finally, a great new addition to our team, John Fan, who is our Benefits Coordinator, assisting with paperwork and learning the ropes of the insurance industry. Now, we do have some medical plan changes this year. We're going to go through these pretty quickly. And honestly, not that much of a change. The IRS does require high deductible plans to have a minimum deductible that's set every year. This year, the individual minimum deductible is $3,000. So on your high deductible 2800 plan, that has now become our high deductible 3000 plan. Because we already had a high deductible 3000 plan, we have changed that plan to a high deductible 3500 to create more options amongst our benefits portfolio. So if you currently have the high deductible 2800 plan, that will become a high deductible 3000 in 2023. And if you currently have the high deductible 3000, that plan will become a high deductible 3500 plan in 2023. As we move forward, we have some excellent news about our dental and vision rates. That's why we have some happy glasses and a happy tooth up here on our screen. We were able to secure a 13% decrease for dental PPO, 10% decrease for dental HMO with no plan changes, and we secured a pass-through cost for our vision benefits as well. So there you go. We've been able to secure lower dental and vision premiums, and if you're currently enrolled in these benefits, there's nothing that you need to do to receive these new rates. Your coverage will automatically carry over into next year. And we also have some great complementary benefits that you can take advantage of and participate in. One is our employee discount program through Working Advantage. All you need to do to use this benefit is go to www.workingadvantage.com and you register using our company code, which is Optimum, all in lowercase. Once you do that, you're able to log in and search for discounts on amusement parks, movie theater tickets, travel, sporting events, and even retail merchandise from national retailers. Highly recommend registering for Working Advantage. It's free to do. And whenever you go on a trip, always great to check out the excellent discounts available to you. We also have an employee assistance program, provides 24 confidential assistance for a wide range of personal questions and issues. And we've also enhanced this benefit this year to include more consultative services for you. As you can see here, you can take advantage of any of the offers in the grid to the left. On the right, we've enhanced these services by including one 30-minute complimentary consultation for each separate legal matter you may have, one 30-minute consultation per legal matter for mediation, such as divorces, contracts, and consumer disputes, 60-minute consultation for core identity theft protection, 24-hour emergency services from legal providers, and a 30-minute consultation per financial matter. Career coaches and registered dietitians are included, as well as special education consultants and lactation specialists. This is a really great complementary benefit that we offer to all of our clients, and these options put you in control. You can call or text the 800 number to make an appointment with a board-certified counselor. You can also log into your WorkLife online portal using the username and password displayed here. They've really enhanced their benefits over the last couple of years, and I highly recommend taking advantage of this complementary feature that you have based on the relationship between Optimum and your employer. Now, if you find that the Employee Assistance Program offers some complementary benefits that you'd like more access to, you'd like to enhance those benefits, we do have a number of supplemental benefit options, from flexible spending accounts to life insurance, disability and pet insurance, Legal Shield prepaid legal services, My ID Care identity theft protection, and critical illness and accident protection insurance. We have a wide ranging benefits portfolio for you to participate in if you would like to do so. Now, if you are an Anthem member, or you will be an Anthem member as of January 1st, once open enrollment closes, we highly recommend using the following Anthem virtual assistance features. The first is Live Health Online. This gives you quick and easy access to a doctor 24/7. And the reason that we partner with Live Health Online is they have a special relationship with Anthem. Now, if you're not an Anthem member, you can call and pay a flat rate per consultation. But if you are an Anthem member, you can register for Live Health Online with your member ID, and you will only be charged for your plan copay. So for example, if you are on our HMO 3040 plan and you see a primary care physician through telehealth using Live Health Online, you will be only charged that $30 copay. Again, this is an item I highly recommend logging into now or downloading the mobile app and registering, because the last thing that you want to do when you wake up sick and need to use this service is filling out all of your medical history, all of your payment information. Just download that app now, add it to your phone so that you have it ready. If you don't think you're going to use telehealth, I highly, highly recommend using the Anthem Sydney Health mobile app at the very least for any Anthem members. This is going to give you electronic access to your member ID card. It will show you where you're at as far as your deductible and out-of-pocket maximum for the year. You can also check nearby doctors and facilities for costs, check for drug prescription pricing and refills on Anthem's home delivery program, and view your health record and share with your doctors wherever you go. So Sydney Mobile Health, really great app to completely control your healthcare from your fingertips. Now, flexible spending accounts. I know we have a lot of folks who participate in both FSA and HSA. This is a reminder that your FSA and HSA elections do not carry over into the new year. You must log into your Optimum enrollment portal and select your FSA and HSA contributions for 2023. Now, for HSA, you can make changes throughout the year, but for FSA, you do need to complete that enrollment during the open enrollment period so that we can send you a fully loaded debit card at the beginning of the year with that annual balance. There have been some changes to limits this year for health savings accounts. We can move up to $3,850 for employee only, and $7,750 is your maximum limit for employee plus family coverage. For FSA, they have increased the standard and limited FSA amounts to $3,050. Commuter and parking has been increased to $300 a month, and dependent care FSA stays the same at $5,000. As a reminder, if you're 55 or over, you do have a $1,000 catch-up on HSAs, and anyone who participates in either FSA or HSA must log into their portal and complete enrollment for 2023. Even if you're keeping all of your other benefits the same, you do need to log in to complete your FSA enrollment. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and give a little demo of our open enrollment system. I'm going to go ahead and switch over here to our employee portal. I'm already logged in, and I've done so by going to www.optimumhr.net and clicking on the employee login button in the upper right-hand corner. Once I enter in my username and password, I'm taken here to my employee login screen where I can see my dashboard of all of my information. I can see my current medical plan. I can see my contacts for HR, payroll, and benefits. I can see my paid time off. But of course, for the purposes of this demo, we're going to focus on benefits enrollment. And just to follow up on some of the items from earlier in the presentation, you can click on this link for our Working Advantage discount program and this link for our employee assistance program. For now, we're going to go to benefits, and we're going to go to benefits enrollment to complete the open enrollment process. This will be open from November 15th until December 15th for you to complete your benefit selection for the 2023 plan year. As a reminder, if you're not making any changes to your benefits, those elections from this year will automatically carry over into 2023 for you, except for FSA and HSA elections. For those items, you must log in and set up your FSA and HSA contribution amounts for the 2023 plan year. Now, as we enter, you can see that you're being welcomed to your 2023 open enrollment period, and the system is very intuitive when it comes to each page. All you need to do is click next, and you'll be able to walk through the process accordingly. The second page is dependents. Here you can click on add dependent if you'd like to look at pricing for any additional dependents on your plan. As a reminder, qualified dependents are spouses, adopted children, stepchildren, and birth children. Right here, we already have a spouse and a child entered. So I'm going to go to my next page. On my current benefit screen, I'll be able to see the current cost and the renewal cost of any benefits I'm currently enrolled in. If I'm happy with those benefits and I'm not participating in FSA or HSA, I can simply close out this window, not do anything, and my benefits will automatically roll over into the new year. If I'd like to make any changes, I can go through each screen and I can decide on what level of coverage I want for each option. Perhaps I want employee plus spouse coverage for my health insurance. When I toggle on coverage for my spouse, I can see that the benefit premiums have changed to reflect employee plus spouse pricing. If I click on SBC, I can download a full summary of benefits for this plan for the 2023 plan year. I can also compare up to 3 plans by clicking on the compare buttons underneath each plan and then clicking compare to pull up a side-by-side comparison of each plan. If I select one of these plans, it's going to show checkmarked in green, and I have selected coverage for myself and my wife, but not my son. That's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and move on to next, and it's going to take me to the dental screen where I'll do the same. I'll complete the same process. I can toggle on coverage for my wife. I can toggle on coverage for my son. Now I'm seeing premium information for each pay period for employee plus family pricing. Again, if I want to download summary of benefits, I can do so by clicking on this button, or I can simply enroll in the benefit and go to the next screen. Now, the system, as I mentioned, is intuitive. So, for example, if I do not want vision coverage, I would need to click on waiving benefits and agreeing to waive the vision benefits for the 2023 plan year. For the purpose of the demo, I'm going to go ahead and keep that page blank and move on to the next page. This is where I can enter in my health savings account contributions for the 2023 plan year. If I try to enter an amount that's over the limit, it's going to tell me to enter a value that is less than or equal to the annual employee plus family limit of $7,750. If I want to max out that contribution, the system will tell me how much my deduction is per pay period. And if I think that's a little too much, I may reduce my annual contribution. And again, the system will update to show me my per pay period contribution. I'm going to go ahead and stick with 6,000 here and move on to our flexible spending accounts. Now, because we selected an HSA plan, on the flexible spending account screen, we have dependent care FSA and we have limited FSA. So limited FSA is an option when you enroll in a health savings account. Limited FSA means you can only use it for dental and vision. So I'll go ahead and put aside $1,000 for dental and vision costs this year. And I'm going to go ahead and put aside $4,000 for my annual dependent care FSA contributions. Again, I just move forward every page with the next button and I make a selection on each page. If I'd like to sign up for life insurance, for example, I can click on this and I can enter and increase my coverage in increments of $10,000 all the way up to the limit of $500,000. If I decide I'd also like coverage for my wife, this will clear, and when I go back in, I will need to make a coverage selection for both myself and for my spouse. And as a reminder, your spousal coverage cannot exceed the amount of your coverage. And as I've reached 90,000 here, it tells me I have reached the maximum amount for spousal coverage. That's perfect. I can go ahead and click next and move on to my disability options. For disability, I'm going to go ahead and waive options here. And you can see that even though I've waived the benefits, this is going to allow me to show that I have made a selection on each page and I can continue on with the process. Critical illness selection is very similar to life insurance. It's based on increments of $1,000 and your coverage is based on the amount you select and your current age. If I move on to the next option, accident insurance is available for employee only or employee plus dependent coverage. If you're interested in the details of any of these benefits, again, the SBC button will allow you to download details about each option. Legal Shield and My ID Care Premier will appear on the next screen, and you can decide to sign up for one or both or neither. And then finally, pet insurance is an option that you do have to select outside of the Optimum enrollment portal. So if you click on sign up for pet insurance today, it will take you to Optimum Employer Solutions group landing page for Nationwide. You can enter in the type of animal you have, their name and their zip code, and receive a quote for pricing. Just keep in mind that that quote for pricing will not be included in the benefit summary screen here. So the benefit summary screen will tell you everything you've elected. I do see a couple of warnings here. This is just telling me that the coverage amount for life insurance is above the guaranteed issue amount. So you must complete an evidence of insurability form, which is a PDF downloadable on the life insurance page, or as we complete your open enrollment processing, we will reach out to you with that form to complete and return. For vision benefits, as you remember, I actually skipped that page without making a selection. So all I need to do is click on this pencil here. It's going to take me directly back to the vision page. Let's say I do want to enroll in vision just for myself. I've done so. I can now go back to the benefit summary screen, and now I'll be able to submit my benefits because I don't have any errors that are stopping me from doing so. Once I hit submit, I do have one more item that I need to finish. I need to acknowledge the benefit elections that were made, and I need to type in my full name in the system. Once that full name is matched, the complete enrollment button changes from gray to blue, and I can click on complete enrollment, which will take me to my benefits confirmation statement. I highly recommend printing this page or saving it as a PDF, as it will show you the benefits confirmation of your total cost per pay period, as well as your coverage for 2023. That is the basis of what we'll be covering today as far as the presentation is concerned, but we definitely want to make sure that you have full access to all of our contact information as this open enrollment period begins and concludes November 15th through December 15th. Please feel free to reach out to our newly established benefits group email, which is benefits@optimumhr.net. They can help with a wide range of common questions and concerns you may have about your coverage. And please reach out to your benefits professional for any questions about the benefit offerings, your renewal, or your open enrollment cycle. We have our direct contact emails and phone numbers here listed for you, so please take advantage of that, and we'll be talking to you during your open enrollment process. Thank you so much again for joining us today to look over the 2023 open enrollment process for Optimum Employer Solutions, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Take care. Have a great day.